Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So let's start on it now. So guys, now brake lights. If they do not work, there is one fuse that you need to check. But also, you may need to calibrate your brake light switch. You may have a bad brake light switch. It could be other thing as well. We have special video on our channel why brake lights do not work on Dodge Ram. Check it out. It will teach you all about that. But go ahead and open the hood. The fuse for the brake lights is located in a fuse box in front of the car battery. You have two notches that you need to press here. Go ahead, press, and you're going to open it. On the inside is the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. If you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Ram, fuses, relays at a really good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. For the brake lights, we need to just check one fuse only, guys. That fuse is for multiple things integrated in one. By the way, you see all the different kinds of fuses that you have and relays. Go ahead, guys, get some spares, because those could be hard to find. And one time we needed a spare fuse and we couldn't find one. We were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. You see these two fuses, guys? Okay, they look identical. The one that you need to check is fuse number 10. That controls the brake lights as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.